In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of your image or pictures in PowerPoint. So I'm going to use this image as an example. So the image is already imported to PowerPoint slide. So what you need to do now is to go straight to your menu and click on Format. So when you click on Format, you go to where you have Remove Background. So by the time you click on Remove Background, you will see these tools here. So when you click on it, this area that is shaded with purple are the areas that are removing, and you can see that some of the areas you needed are shaded also. So what you need to do is to come to the top right corner here, and you see when you click OK, this is the output, but this is not the background we need to remove because some of the clothes are there. So let me undo it. So now undoing this, you come back to remove background. So when you click on remove background, now the next thing you will see where you have a select areas to keep. So by the time you select the areas to keep, then you drag the pen. You have a pen to you use it to drag to where you want to keep. You will be dragging it on the parts you want to keep. So this is what you will have now. By the time you are doing that, as you can see, that is keeping the clothes. So you do that for all the parts that you want to keep, that you don't want to remove. So you keep selecting the areas you want to keep by using the pen to drag around the area you want to keep. You continue doing that until you are through with it. So as you can see that some parts of the backgrounds are showing. So what you need to do now is to go to the menu, remove background. So you select the part to remove. So by the time you select the pen, so you keep dragging it on the part to remove, and it will be going one after the other, as you can see here. So when you are through with it, that everything is all right, you go to your menu and you select keep changes. So by the time you select keep changes, you will see that you have your background removed and you have the image there. So that's how to remove the background of your image or pictures in PowerPoint. Don't forget to like and share this video if you find this helpful, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video.